Shenzhen HCC Technology Company Limited, established in 2008 year, is a professional supplier engaged in the research, development, sale, and service of intelligent commercial equipment, such as multi-payment products, handheld POS, retail POS, mPos, automatic fare collection products, bus validator machine and system, e-commerce logistics and IoT industry products, handheld PDA, mobile printer, barcode scanner printer, RFID device. Our factory had obtained ISO 9001 certificates over 11 years, and production department is over 2,178 square meters. We are also professional in OEM and ODM service. Welcome to customize and develop the smart device to meet customers' Indeed application. Most of our products have passed CE, FCC, RoHS International Standard, and also approved by UnionPay, EMV, PCI, Visa, MasterCard industry professional certifications, which greatly ensure the highest level safety and quality of our products. In the past 11 years, we have deepened in printing and payment industry and expanded markets in Southeast and Central Asia, Middle East Asia, South America, Africa, and Europe. Our products obtain sustained growing market share and exported to clients over 100 foreign countries and regions. Our company's slogan is Professional Solution Provider for Intelligent Commercial Equipment, Smart and Reliable. Shenzhen HCC sincerely wish to cooperate with your esteemed company and provide most suitable products and solution to your customers.